Your phone, tablet, GPS, or camera should stay mounted exactly where you need it, secure, visible, and ready for the drive. Whether you're hitting the trail, setting up for a weekend, working out of your vehicle, or just have a long commute, your interior setup matters. What's going on, guys? It's Cameron from Westin Automotive, and I'm here today to talk about our brand new Westin Adventure Mounts. This is a vehicle-specific, no-drill, modular mounting system built for your phones, tablets, or anything else that you rely on behind the wheel. These mounts are designed to give you a clean, stable, no-drill installation that works seamlessly with your vehicle's dash. So one of the best features about the brand new Adventure Mounts is going to be flexibility. So you can go ahead and purchase this kit as a starter kit, which is going to come with your vehicle-specific base mount, mounting arms, hardware, and device mounting options. Or you can purchase all of this piece by piece to really build a custom package fit just for your vehicle. You can buy the vehicle-specific mount kit and then buy any of the pieces that you see here to finish off your package. So the Adventure Mounts are built around a completely modular design, allowing you to customize it to how you see fit. It's all built around a 20mm ball, which gives you multiple options for device mounting and arm mounting, which allows you to adjust it any way you need in the vehicle. All right, guys, so to go ahead and start the installation, we're going to start right here with the vehicle-specific base mount. So like I said, this is going to be for the 25 and up Toyota Tacoma. So let's go ahead and open the box, and I'll show you guys what's inside. So one thing I wanted to touch on before we start installation to make things a little bit easier is that you're going to get two brackets, a left and a right, or driver and passenger side. The driver's side is actually going to be denoted by a little hole here, and that's also mentioned in your instructions as well, just to give you one little tip to make installation easier. Let's go ahead and take the clip nuts that are included with your kit, and we're going to slide those over the mounting brackets like so here. So just take your clip nut, slide it over the hole like that. Okay, now they're ready to be installed. I'm going to show you how the hardware and the spacers are going to line up because it's going to be a little bit easier to see. So after you've got your clip nuts installed on your bracket, the way this bracket installs in the vehicle is there is a spacer that mounts underneath it and your bolt that's going to come down from the top. So best way to do this is take your bolt through the top of the bracket and put your spacer underneath like so, and then do the same thing for the back. So once you have these put together like this, then you can go ahead and get these installed in the vehicle. All right, guys, so now that we're here inside the Tacoma, we can go ahead and start the installation. Behind your infotainment center, there will be a plastic trim piece that you're gonna go ahead and have to remove. Once we have that plastic trim piece removed, then we can go ahead and install the mounting brackets. So now that we have our mounting brackets installed into the dash, we can now go ahead and adjust them as we see fit and now lay our base plate onto the brackets and install them using the hardware that's included with your kit. So as you guys can see, the installation is very DIY friendly. I want to say there's probably 4 steps in total. Once we've got the base plate installed, then we can go ahead and decide how we want to install our device arms and our device mounts. Whether we want a nice compact setup that's close to the dash, or we want to extend our arms out to give ourselves a little bit better visibility, now will be the time to do all that. Once you have this system installed, you now have a safe and secure place to mount all of your devices. Whether that be your phone for navigation, a tablet for route planning, or a camera to catch all the sights at an event, you now have one system that does it all. And that's another nice thing about the system is that it is modular, so you're not locked into one kind of configuration. You can use it for your phone one day, your tablet the next, or on the third day, use it for both. For more information about our Adventure Mounts, go ahead and go to westinautomotive.com. I'm Cameron. Catch you guys on the next one.